How to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. So for that case, you have to first of all log in into your Binance account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, choose your currency and then select fiat currency. Now first thing what you have to do is you could go to the wallet section, and on this page you could go ahead and select spot. When you actually do that, you go ahead and press the withdraw button. Now on this page, go ahead and locate the asset that you wish to withdraw. So I'm going to go with Ethereum. So when you've actually done that, you need to go ahead and select send by crypto network or send by email or phone ID. So select the phone ID, and when you actually do that, just press the understand button. Then you have to go ahead and enter all of these information. Now select the payment method and then security verification. Wait for the processing and check your bank account. You should have successfully withdrawn USDT from Binance to bank account. So that is how simple it is to withdraw USDT from Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.